Did you know that you can start a business for less than $1,000? Let's face it, the world is more expensive now and we all could use a little extra money. With a few pieces of equipment, you can start making custom signs, custom t-shirts, and other types of swag, all with less than $1,000 and just a little bit of training. First, you want to get a decent vinyl cutter. For most people that are just getting into the industry, I recommend the MH871. It cuts about 9 times the amount of the Cricut Maker 3 in a single job for a much lower price. You can cut sign vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, paint mask stencil, and even some reflective vinyl with it. The package shown here comes with everything you need to start cutting signs instantly. We even offer a video training course and free software so that you can be up and running with the MH in just a matter of hours. How about t-shirts? Everybody loves a custom t-shirt, and it's easy to make customized apparel with the 15x15 clamshell heat press and this Caesar heat transfer vinyl bundle for only $289.99. Plus, all of our equipment comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime phone support to help you along the way. So come check us out and get your side hustle started today.